My clients, they all want something different. They ask what's achievable. We can give them anything, you know, if they want the curves, the angles, you know, different types, everyone wants something different. We brought Origin into the workshop because we knew that it would have a perfect fit to the sort of line of work we're in. It just opens up a whole horizon of what we can achieve. My name is Gary Banks and I am the director of Banks Carpentry, and we are furniture makers in central London. We've got a really cool sort of seating bench area we're building at the moment. It's all curved, all on radiuses. There's a lot of things involved, so everything has to be perfect. We've got, you know, leather fabric panels being wrapped around all on the radius. So everything's been done with the Origin from our radius point, from our CAD drawing. So everything has to line up. As long as I set my drawings up correct, I know that the Origin is going to do exactly what I need to. Before we'd have to set up jigs and jigsaw out and do big templates and everything, but now I can draw something on my CAD and send it over to the Origin, and I know it's going to give me the perfect radius. So the time it saved me to build, you know, curves and certain parts, it's just incredible. I think Origin's biggest feature to me is the size. We have quite small workshops. We can just take it out of a sustainer and do what we need to do and just put it back. I think there's so many joiners, they're called one-man bands. They've got small workshops, or they're working out of a garage or working out of a van. So with the Origin, you know, they don't have to have, again, a big workshop. They can be doing certain jobs on site, in a garage, at home. You can just use it for your day-to-day things, you know, like your jigs, your hinges, your inlays. You can use it for your basic stuff. But like I said, we're doing big scale projects with it as well. The best feature of Origin is how it works so well with my CAD software. I think it's improved my workflow. I think the time it saved me on drawing, so setting out on material, you know, that can be quite painstaking at time. But with the Origin and my CAD drawings, I feel confident whatever I'm going to transfer to the Origin is going to be exactly what I want. I feel complete trust in the Origin working with my drawings. It's good to be at work and also enjoying what you're doing, and having the Origin around obviously does excite me. The great thing about Origin, that they're sort of hands-on, the feel to it. You're building, you're creating, you're making something special, and you're behind this screen, so you feel like you're part of it when you're moving it across the board, and you can see all these curves and things, you know, you're making. It's just unbelievable. There is a little bit of the digital robot side to it, but you are in control. You know, like say tweaking stuff and tuning it. That's the big key. Like, you couldn't necessarily do that on a large CNC machine. It's just improved everything for us in the workshop. There's always room for improvements, and that's how you make yourself better, basically. When you see these large jobs come together and you just step back and you think, wow, look, how have we achieved that sort of thing? It's such a great feeling. It's just brilliant to step back and have a look and be so proud.